Just sit, chill. YouTube, I'm outside, MVision, outside having some fun. I hear some helicopter action over here, but I don't see it. Hold up, man. Let's search for the helicopter. I hear it, but I don't see it. Oh, there you go right here. It's crazy. Bro, they just said a helicopter fall out the sky. Where was MVision when all that stuff taking place, bro? You know what I mean? We need to get interesting stuff on the television. So this would be a little dock, a little port. He goes, take a little flex and get on the ferry, you know? It's the ferry dock, so this is where people will come right here and get on to the ferry. See, you got your ticket right here. And you board the ferry right there and you get on. Simple as that. Yeah. So this way, it should go back around. I don't know. Let me go back around. Yeah, let's go back around and get it. See what this bridge is. It's different out here. It's completely different, bro. It's nice. It is amazing out here. Amazing. You know the good thing is, right? In the summertime, right? There will be so much people out here, right? It's crazy. There will be people fishing too. Because the only thing they said is no drinking, no fire, no swimming, no dog over there, you know what I mean, no littering. They didn't tell you no fishing. They don't want you roller skating. I mean, I could see why. Think about it though. You wonder how deep this thing is, bro. You know, ships pass through, so it's deep. FedEx. It's springtime. Bro, I gotta go get a cup of coffee. I need a cup of coffee and a sandwich right now. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, this is what we're gonna do, right? gotta go move my car and come back. Get back, alright. Last night I missed my food, son. Missed my Chinese food last night. Fall asleep. Wake up to a whole bunch of missed calls. No, I wanted my food last night too, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I wanted my food bad. I ordered some fried wings with green plantain. And I'm telling y'all, bro, my car. My car key. Oh my God. Whoo. Brody. Brody, we need charging. Yeah. No, that's right. Step in the car at the right time. Bro, we ain't got no charge on the camera, right? Get a parking. Cup of coffee. I'm gonna need for roll up. If you know, you know. Word. So like that, fam. The BMW serious. That's a serious BMW truck right there. Yeah. Let's see what's up. So we got the Acura speeding like a motherfucker, man. Speed up.